Hi, good morning, welcome back to Mike Makes It. You may have seen previous videos, I think I've done 3 so far, on a Hotpoint tumble dryer. Hotpoint for some reason have decided they were going to fit a third filter where fluff will basically build up that you can't get to, and the 3 videos I've shown earlier are sort of how I got around it. But I've had enough now. I got fed up and keep taking the side cover off, this side cover, so I've got a hole in the side, and well, I'll take the cover off, show you what I've done. This is what I've fitted, as clearly you can see, because this isn't a factory fitted item. It's just an old plastic lid I had off a project box. I've used 6 clinch nuts or riv nuts into the panel here, and or 6 6mm bolts. Just something nice and simple, get the job done. There's a filter here, as you may have seen off previous videos. A couple of screws, and out it comes. Rinse this in the sink, back in, couple of screws, 6 bolts, job's a good one. I've even provided a toolkit so anybody can do it. Just leave them there. So yeah, this, I promise, will be the last video on this Hotpoint machine. Thanks for watching.